Hello students, once again a warm welcome in online classroom. In our last lecture, we have studied about part of speech and different type of part of speech like noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective and conjunction. Today I am going to tell you the remaining part of speech, and one of them is interjection. You know what is meant by an interjection? Interjections are the words which show exclamation शो करने वाले सारे वर्ड्स इंटरजेक्शन कहलाते हैं एंड दे हैव अ पर्टिकुलर वे ऑफ पैटर्न. सी a particular word having a sign like full stop behind it. You know, exclamations are of 5 types and these 5 types are given below. The first one that shows pleasure or joy, खुशी दिखाने वाले exclamation, and this is hurrah. You might have seen many sentences starting with the word hurrah having an interjection mark behind it, and that particular word denotes pleasure. Now the second one is the mark that show sorrow, दुख दिखाने वाले, and that is alas. You might have seen the sentence starting with the word alas having an interjection mark behind it. In the same way, some marks that shows wonder, they are oh, wow, oh God, good heaven, lo, what and how. These words show wonder or surprise in a sentence. Now see the fourth one that shows praise, means prashansha, and that word is bravo. Bravo means shabash, means it is a kind of or an indication of show our praise, admiration. And the last one is to denote abhivadan, greet, and the word is hello. You might have used the word different in different sentences or in your way of speaking, means in everyday life we use this word several times. Now see the example of these words. To show joy, the example is hurrah, I have passed my exam. To show sorrow, alas, I have lost my bag. To show wonder, example wow, it is beautiful dress, and the second example is what an idiot you are. In the same way, to show praise, bravo, you have done it, and in the last, to show greeting, the example is hello, what are you doing. Now these words, these 5 types of exclamation that denotes pleasure, sorrow, wonder, praise and greeting, you might have aware about them, and I think you are quite able to recognize or find out these particular words given in the sentence. You know, whatever the sentence is, you can find these words in the beginning of the sentence having an exclamation mark behind them. So read the given sentence and try to find out or locate these interjection mark and write them in your notebook along with the exercise given here. Now see, the first one is bravo, you have got the first prize. Now there is an interjection mark that shows praise. Second one, hurrah, the lockdown has ended. Here there is also an interjection mark. In the third one, what a nice person you are. Here is also an interjection mark. The fourth one, alas, the old man has died. Here, once again, you have an exclamation word along with an exclamation mark. Now, in fifth one, lo, he has disappeared. Here, there is an exclamation word. In the sixth one, how stupid she is. Here is also an exclamation word. And in the last one, hello, what is your name? Here is also an exclamation word. So find out these exclamation word, write them in your notebook, click the photo and send it to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, thank you.